The in every way that really matters, current exchanging volume of torrential slide generally is at $235,474,610 in a sort of significant manner. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph, which basically is very critical. Avax United States dollar medium-term support basically remained at $13.68 in a truly significant manner. Torrential slides EMA10 shows a very descending pattern in a kind of huge manner. 07 November 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified some pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is especially momentary cost expectation for torrential slide by and large is Avax a wise interest in a huge manner. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Avax specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us generally discuss the genuinely current economic situations. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital currency market to $1,325,730,169,204, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The especially all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $41,562,812,633, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33% in an especially significant manner, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07% in an exceptionally significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, really is up by 2.1 and presently exchanging at 69 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which certainly shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,325,730,169,204 in an unpretentious manner. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market is going in a sort of descending course for in every practical sense, present moment, which explicitly is very huge. As of now, a truly broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so torrential slides EMA10 truly shows a descending pattern, which truly is very critical. Torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, further appearance how right now, and in every practical sense, general exceptionally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. So torrential slides EMA10, all things considered, shows a for the most part descending pattern in a by and large huge manner. Support is a level at which purchasers sort of become certainly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03. Following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time span, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers generally become move sort of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Showing how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market especially is going in an exceptionally descending course for momentary in an unpretentious manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The truly current torrential slide cost by and large is $12.95, with an exchanging volume of $235,474,610 in the sort of beyond 24 hours in a very enormous manner. Presently, Avax all things considered is up by 2.4% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,602,281,050 United States dollars, which basically is genuinely critical. Torrential slide value examination. Avax cost examination for 07 November 2023 inside a buy and large everyday time span really made sense of beneath, exhibiting that Avax United States dollar medium-term support commonly remained at $13.68 in an every way that really matters significant way. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal assembly and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including fundamentally straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA, to truly dissect the future development of the torrential slide. Or so they most certainly thought. While Avax's Williams percent R pointer generally is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign for the most part is conceivable at this reach in a by and large huge manner. The Avax United States dollar moving kind of normal combination and disparity, MACD, pointer in every practical sense, is demonstrating an all things considered transient sort of sell pretty sign as the MACD line in every way that really matters is moving beneath sort of sign line which explicitly implies explicitly bears especially are ruling on the lookout, pretty further appearance how as of now. An extremely broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so torrential slides EMA10 truly shows a very descending pattern in a fundamentally significant manner. The coin in every practical sense is going down as it especially break under two critical help levels of $14.76 and $13.68, so the truly all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $41,562,812,633 in an especially significant manner. The market especially is unreasonable for bulls and by and large bears could truly take Avax towards the genuinely next help at $12.86. Exhibiting that the Avax United States dollar moving especially normal union and disparity, MACD, pointer, generally is demonstrating a genuinely present moment truly sell commonly signal as the MACD line for the most part is moving underneath, sort of sign line which basically implies basically bears truly are overwhelming on the lookout, genuinely further appearance how right now. For the most part broad genuinely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, so torrential slides EMA10 basically shows a really descending pattern in a sort of enormous manner. The kind of relative strength record, RSI, demonstrates that the Avax coin explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI in a real sense is at 29, kind of additional appearance how the Avax United States dollar moving in every practical sense, normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, marker, truly is demonstrating and in every way that really matters. Present moment essentially sell commonly signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath, especially signal line which truly implies generally bears in every practical sense, are ruling on the lookout, especially further appearance how as of now, a kind of